LED lights. Probably hit the wheels. Everything looking good. Put a new rack on the back. Paint the pipe covers. New carb. Let's work. I'll be damn if it ain't pecans. A whole lot of it. Got a whole dustpan full. Now it's time to remove the decals and get ready for preparation and paint. Coat, all sanded down the head. We're gonna prime it and get ready for it in the morning. See about getting these tires. We're gonna be doing this black gloss to match. We gotta take off the back seat brace, take off the light, and this will be painted looking like that. Stay tuned. Everything's been done over. We're getting ready to reassemble. Another 2minicustom. Those levers. 101. gas gauge wouldn't work, and this is why the old float is pretty much dry rotted. Just replace that. We're replacing it with a new one, and it should be working in a little bit. So we're just making 20 miles on it. Rode it yesterday. Be able to turn the key now. The gas is working. In a little bit, half a tank. 20 miles. Let's go. That's no good. Air coming out the front tire. Gotta put a new tire on now. We'll reseal it. So the tire is leaking air. They're gonna put a new front one on there. And then we'll come back to work.
Wow, look at it.
So, show them dry rot. Time for a new tire. Now it's time to put the new wheel on. Get ready to run the new underlights and turn signal, put the trunk on. Let's hit the road. So now we're down to the final light part. Put some of them lights on there, let them go through their changes. You know how it go. Oh, this is how we're doing it. Oh, you see it.
You see it.
Oh, your lights are hooked up. Green, blue, red. Oh, you see it. Another 2minicustom done. Lights done. Brand new paint job. Foam port. 27 miles. First shower. Get ready to go home. Oh, you see it. That thing purring clean. Just made 30 miles.
Come on with it. Look, you got a trunk full there now.
Gotta go. Another satisfied customer on 2mini. You shipped up to PA. See you soon, bro. See you, Mob King. Oh, you see it! And they're off.